I think it's fair to say that most people working with pneumatics recognise the importance of air preparation, but there's a huge amount of choice. When compressing the air, we're concentrating any impurities. There's many questions that should be answered before choosing air preparation equipment. Things like, what does the application or process actually require? And what flow rates are we dealing with? There are 3 recognised factors contributing to the air's purity. First, the size and the amount of particles, followed by the level of moisture, and finally, the amount of oil remaining. Neglecting to manage these 3 factors contributes to demands on maintenance, machinery malfunctions, it reduces service life and impacts on energy costs. It can also result in contamination of processes or even the product, all issues we want to avoid. The first stage of air preparation is usually a water separator after the compressor, where the air temperature is warm and water will form. SMC offers a combined water separator and particle filter to remove 99% of water. As the air moves away from the compressor, it cools and naturally more water will form. Because of this, we need to consider a dedicated air dryer. The process of drying the air usually takes place in the compressor room too. SMC offers a range of efficient and reliable refrigeration dryers to prevent condensation even at temperatures as low as 3 degrees C. If there are specific needs for the air to be dried more than this, we can provide membrane dryers that are compatible with our modular style filters and oil separators. Included in this same modular system, SMC offers a complete range with a uniform design to meet some of the highest levels of quality with multi-stage filtration. Starting with basic particle remover to oil mist and micro mist separators. For even higher specifications, we can also offer activated carbon to remove odours or filters to remove bacteria. Take care though, the more the air is cleaned, the higher the cost. More preparation increases the potential for pressure drops, making systems less efficient and impact on energy bills. So, with all these things to consider, product selection can be daunting. However, one thing's for sure, you can count on SMC's experts. Let us find the best air treatment to match your needs.